Hi guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to share with you my gel polish collection. So I have already shared with you all of my nail polishes that I have in my stash, as well as my stamping plates and my nail art stuff, gems and all. But in this little Helmer drawer thingy by IKEA, I have all of my gel polishes. So the first drawer definitely is one of my favorites, and let me just skid you right into this little drawer and just show you all the colors I got. So this first one is all Madam Glam. In the back I have a little basket with like the no wipe top coat, and I think it's oh yeah, perfect black. I have that one double. It's always good to have like an extra black one. And I have all of my powders as well, like my chrome powders are my mermaidy kind of powders, as well as all of my swatches of the colors. So in the back I have my chameleon gel polishes. These are the thermal ones, so these change whether you're like warm-blooded or cold or anything like that. All of the colors I have in this collection so far, I have already swatched and reviewed every single color and also used a bunch of them in tutorials. So if you're curious about some of these colors, do check out my previous videos. These are all Madam Glam, as I said. This is one of my favorite glitter ones, which is called Sparkling Hearts, which was also one of my first gel polishes by the brand. Then further in the back we also have the peacock gels, or at least 3 of them that I got. I really like these. I think they're really gorgeous on top of a black, but really pretty like with matching colors as well. And behind those I have 3 of the cat eye gel polishes. You will need a little magnet for those to get the full like cat eye effect. These are so gorgeous. They always remind me of like a galaxy or something like that. Just beautiful. All the other colors are color coordinated in my little drawer. Sorry, I totally forgot to show you some of the names of these colors. So if you're curious about that, just let me know which color you would like to know the name of and I will look it up for you. Like the perfect range, the perfect collection has the names on the front of the bottle, so I think I was kind of confused and just forgot to show you some of the names of the other ones. But yeah, I have got them all like color ranged. It's totally up to you how you would like to organize your collection. For gel polishes I just really love to do it color coordinated, or just do it rainbow wise, or however you want to call that. Yeah, that's just something that's more easy for me to do. Like for my nail polishes, I have so many nail polishes, I can't possibly do them all like on color, so those are more like separated by brand. But I have to say I did separate this collection of gel polishes by brand as well, but also on color, or at least for the Madam Glam gel polishes at least. So yeah, these are some of my favorites. Flores and the Bright Barbie Pink. I love my pinks. I think pink is it's just gorgeous. I love it. One of my favorite colors. Some are really, really neon. Some are a little bit more muted or coral, just like the So Hot color. Oh, and Pajama Party is really one of my favorites as well. Gorgeous. And next to all of the bright ones, I also have a lot of neutral shades, which I really, really love as well. I think it's really nice to just switch from neons to neutral shades every now and then, just to like kind of like cleanse your palette or something. But yeah, I just really, really love this entire collection I have so far. Madam Glam is definitely my #1 favorite gel polish brand. They're really easy to remove, they don't harm your nails, they are vegan, they are 9-free, and yeah, I'm just really, really happy with those and really happy that I'm able to try out their colors as well. The second drawer are all of my pink gel-lock colors. I know that this brand is also available worldwide. I'm not quite sure if they are still sold in the United States. I have had some messages that their website, like the US website, isn't online anymore, or they don't ship worldwide anymore. I don't know. I only have like my contacts with the Dutch PR for pink gel-lock, so I'm not quite sure how easy it is to get this when you are living in the United States, but maybe you can still get them from Amazon or something like that. But they actually switched up their packaging a little while ago. As you can see, the one on the left is the new, so the full on color one is the new packaging. I think it's really neat. I didn't feel like they really needed an update, but it looks really nice and sleek and just really professional. There wasn't anything wrong with their old packaging in my opinion. Like, the shape of the bottles is exactly the same. They just updated their little like label, as well as some extra decoration on the cap of the bottles. But yeah, I think Pink Gelac is also a really good brand, especially to start off with one if you want to try gel polishes and never used them before. It was the first brand I also tried out, and I'm really happy about it. I do have to say that these gel polishes take a little longer to soak off, or you actually have to file them off. I feel like they just need like a 15 minute to 20 minute soak instead of a 10-minute soak that I have with the Madam Glam gel polishes. But nonetheless, they are really neat. I really like their primer and extend base coat as well. And they also have a really neat shiny like glossy top coat that doesn't have a sticky layer afterwards. So that's like a perfect non-wipe top coat that I really like. And I have a lot of pinks and neutrals and just gorgeous purple shades from this brand. They send these colors out to me for free just to try them out. I'm not being paid or anything to actually try these brands. But yeah, I'm just really happy with them. Oh, the light gray color is really gorgeous, by the way. It will be one that I will be wearing at least a lot in autumn. I think that's a gorgeous shade for fall. Oh, and that, I think it's like silver diamond or something, is like a silver holographic gel polish, which is really gorgeous as well. I'm just really happy with my collection so far. I think I have a really nice color range. Again, a lot of pinks and some purples, but I really like their neutral, like nude shades as well. Then the next little drawer are just some empty spray bottles that I have. I actually use these to do my rubbing alcohol in. And I've got some backups from Pink Gelac as well, some base coats, some top coats, even a cleaner, which you can use to just clean up the edges, like your cuticle area and such. Then I have my extend base, my primer, and I think that is a matte top coat. Yeah, I really like it. I have some like glass dappen dishes in there as well, and some practice nails from my practice hand. Then the other drawer is actually a little bit of everything. I have a backup LED light from Pink Gelac. I have some other random Pink Gelac stuff. I have another like starter kit from another brand, which is just one color. I have used it in a video, I think like 1.5 years ago or something. I have some makeup sponges. I have some EC one-step gel polishes, which I never really use actually. I know like the one-step gel polishes are really the rage and everyone likes it because they're really fast and really easy, but I just really prefer to add a base coat and then my color and then my top coat. I don't know why. I would rather just have some extra steps. I don't know, that's just a little crinkle in my head, I think. Then in this little box I have some other backups by Pink Gelac, which are still completely sealed and never opened before. That's just to make sure that they will be like perfectly fine if I want to use them in a year or something. Then the drawer underneath that has some soak off clips. These are the extra wide ones for toes and stuff. Then I have some carving gels. Is it gel? It's not really gel, it's kind of like a waxy substance in my opinion. I got these all from AliExpress, so I actually want to do some 3D art with those. I've got some Vanillisa nail glue. I've got another little nail glue, but I rarely use those. And I also have a ton of Blossom gels. These are by Vanillisa. And there are also some peacock gels here, if I'm correct, by Connie or Kenny. I don't know how you pronounce that. At least I know that the Connie and the Vanillisa brands are safe to use. They have like the European stamp of like, yeah, you can use them, they're not like toxic or anything like that. With a lot of brands on AliExpress, you really can't be sure if it is safe to use, because especially here in Europe there are some pretty like strict guidelines that products have to ensure that they are safe, and China doesn't have the same like regulations and rules as we have here in Europe. So always be careful when you use stuff that you get from AliExpress and the brands aren't really well known. In this last drawer I have a ton of my little gel colors by Vinalisa. Again, these are totally like safe to use. I still have to swatch a ton of them. In the back I still have my swatches from the first batch I already did. Those are all the ones on the bottom. I have already swatched those, and all the like stacked ones I still have to do, as well as this little case that I'm placing on top right here. So yeah, these are all really affordable color gels. Do apply thin layers because they have to cure for a minute or so. But yeah, that was my entire collection. I really hope you liked it, and as usual I love you so much, and I hope to see you in my next video.